Hello again, Nissan Skyline fans, in particular cartoon versions of race cars. So what we have today is the Castrol Hiroto sponsored R34 Nissan Skyline. There we go. I don't know what Hiroto is, so not the best marketing. I don't care to learn. I know Castrol makes motor oil. Okay. If you guys want to leave a comment what Hiroto is, maybe some other people might want to know. Alright, well, you can see that front tire is totally messed up. Standard 5 spokes, at least they chose to make them black. But this is running 6 spokes TE37s, it looks like in the photos. Anyways, the sponsorship is all Tampo printed. It's not a decal, it's actually paint, so it's very nice. And the metallic silver is very nice. The window molding is done well as well. And we have some tight panel gaps and a little door handle right there. So that all looks pretty good. A lot of venting details here. Sorry, black. That's black. This is nice. And it actually has a GTR logo molded into there, so that's kind of neat. I don't even see these on the real car, so I guess that's fine that they're silver. These are just the clear headlights of this clear plastic body. You can see the motor there. It's got a printed on windshield wiper, and then the Tampo printing up here is nice. It's also up on the roof, and it also carries over here to the tail. What's on this side of the car? I think there's a fuel filler on this side here, although the real one, it doesn't have it because it's a real race car. Yeah, this tire's cracked as well. Luckily I have some extras. They even printed on the side of the wing, which is cool. The wing is a separate piece. They got the taillights printed red, and then here it says number 14 with the car. I don't know, this is some sort of collection of cars. Maybe the Super GT collection or something. There's some indication of tailpipes. High grade, 1999. Alright, so that's good. This is actually one of the best labeled ChoroQs I've ever seen. It tells you it's a Nissan Skyline GTR R34. A lot of them don't tell you which version of Skyline it is, but this one does. And then it really tells you this is racing in 1999. So I really like that. That's really cool. We're going to have to do a wheel swap though, of course, because although these are pretty good looking, they're just the standard 5 spokes from Choro. And I already actually had the file already made up for the 6 spokes race wheels. Now this tab is always a problem though. I don't know if I'm going to push that out of the hole or not. No, I think I have to remove some material. So today I'm going to cut away this rectangle a little bit. Cut out some plastic there. Go in the other direction. Let's see if that's enough. No, a little more necessary. Maybe I'll cut a little bit back of the tab out. There. So now you can do it. So you can see it's all smoked plastic body minus the wing, and they just painted it really nice. I find that quite interesting they're able to do that. Alright, we're going to take this motor out, save the rear tires for a different project. These front ones I don't think I can reuse. And then we'll pop in a motor where I clipped off the axles. I'm going to hand screw that thing back together. Where'd the screw go? Here it is. Find the thread. There it goes. Alright, so here the TE37 race. So I actually have the lock nut red, and looks like the red is on this side of the car. Alright, and brake calipers. I just painted the calipers red. I don't know if that's what they really are in the real car. Couldn't find side photos of this race car. I'm going to just put the calipers by the door. That might not be accurate, but this is a cartoon car, so I can deal with that. For some reason I don't like my race cars to be steering, but with this poster putty you could make it steer. Alright, so this side has blue lock nuts. Put that caliper by the door again. And where's the caliper on this one? Alright. Alright, so now we have 6 spokes black rays. T37s. The most popular wheel ever made by Japan. So let's look at a few other ones. So I have this Zanavi Hiroto. So Hiroto must be some, I don't know. But be mindful if you get this one. The headlights, they're nice that they're separate pieces, but they literally fell out. I don't know where that headlight went. It's gone forever. So I ended up gluing that side, but maybe I'll just paint that black or something. It's a real shame. It's a nice looking toy, right? But no, I think it's the same casting. No, it's not, because this has an opening hood. This one does not. Here's a safety car, and I have some different wheels on here. These are 3D printed wheels. This looks like it could be the same casting. And the sticker, no sticker on the back of that one. Possibly this is the same casting as good old Pennzoil one. Yeah, I think this is the same. And this, again, I have the race black wheels on there. So this one actually came from a Super GT collection, where these are all from different sets, it seems. Now here's this ChoroQ, but it's a different deformation. It's a lot squatter, and what's it say on the back? It's a different sticker again, but a different Super GT collection. But I think this is more modern. This is from 2005, so it's still pretty old. You'll notice, actually, no, this one has molded taillights. The one we're talking about today, they're just flat. Flat taillights. So yeah, these are definitely different molds. But what about this Pennzoil one? Maybe that is the same. Yeah, that has flat taillights. Molded taillights. So yeah, these two I think are the exact same mold. One last one is a different brand entirely called CART, or C-A-R-T, and this one has side mirrors, but it's a much bigger, you know, toy. Granted, it's not significantly bigger, but it definitely looks different. You know, the deformation is much taller in general. Well, there we go. A bunch of race cars, deformed race cars. So this one's nice, you know, it seems like it's been played with. The windshield is scratched up and stuff, but not abused. I have no desire to get another replacement or anything like that, where I'm going to have to do with that blue one with missing the headlight. So all in all, a good time for today. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ video.